Hi again. We talked about Poisson blending for feature removal a lot, but we have not really talked about how to move a an object from one place to another, and that is also possible with Poisson blending. But there's a different approach to doing it. There's two steps to the problem. One, we have to move the object from one place to another, and then at some point we have to remove the original. So let's just select this bird and maybe move him down somewhere. And if we just like did a copy and paste, you'd see this border around them and it would not look good. So we're gonna have to do some Poisson blending for that as well. So let's copy this as a brush. But instead of just regularly copy selected as brush, we'll do copy selected with margins. That just adds some border around for safety because Poisson blending needs some extra border. So do that. And I'm going to go to the brush stamp tool. You'll see stamp copy. And like I said, you see a border around this if we tried to paste it somewhere, even if we tried to paste it like down here. So we're going to use the Poisson option, Poisson blending stamp. And there you go. We now have a perfectly blended, and it also helps match the lighting on the bird. You can see how the lighting has changed on the bird slightly to match that slightly lighter area. So it's almost magical. And then the next step would just be doing what I've done before to remove this other stamp, because you can tell that is a stamp and you don't want to have a copy paste of the same bird over and over again. So I'll just remove him. Try to find something to replace him with, some kind of texture somewhere. Maybe should have done this before the stamp. That might have been a good idea because I would have had some space somewhere, but I think we can find something. Let's see how that works. Good enough. I think I'll have to fix this little area right down here where there's a little light blob. So I'll just do that one more time. It gets easier as you go along because you've cleared up more space. So there you go. It's a few more steps than it would be in, say, some other more expensive image editing program, but it does get the job done, and it does it quite well. And that is Poisson blending with stamps now. So thanks for watching, and talk to you later.